Xfinity email login. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to sign in into Xfinity email account. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch your preferred browser on your device. For example, Google Chrome. Tap search bar. Type in xfinity.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Click on reload and then you will reach on the official interface of Xfinity, where you will see the sign in button at top right. Before that, decline all the cookies. Now click sign in button at top right. Then you will land on the sign in section of Xfinity account, where you will need to enter your credentials associated with your Xfinity. Enter your email, mobile or username that you have saved during sign up. So now enter the credentials and click on Let's Go button. If you haven't created an account, click Create a new Xfinity ID and create one. Then you have to enter the password, follow on-screen prompts and easily log in into your Xfinity account. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.